say is that Soullady ate down with this jerry curl wig. Look how beautiful these curls look, you guys. They look so natural, so cute. So stay tuned to see how I got this beautiful look using Soullady hair. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl UrbanSy, aka Bad Gal, and I am back with another video. Today we're doing a hair install video sponsored by Soullady hair. So they hit me up and they asked me if I wanted to try one of their wigs. This is their little packaging. I've been seeing them on TikTok lately, so I was actually really excited when they hit me up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the wig we're gonna be putting on today. This is gonna be my first jerry curl wig. Like I've had like curly wave wigs, but this is gonna be my first jerry curl. So we're gonna see how it like turns out. We're gonna do a cute little style and everything. It's a 13 by 4.5 HD lace. It's a 13 by 4.5 HD lace wig. Like I said, it is jerry curl. It's 26 inches, so the curls are giving me life. Like I'm excited to see how they're gonna look after like I wet it and like brush through it to see if it's gonna like hold this cute little curl. One thing I will say about curly wigs is like, maybe it's just me, but for me personally, my curly wigs always get raggedy and run down. Like after a week, the back gets knotted up. I can never unknot it. So I'm gonna try my best to take care of this wig because I want it to last the way it's giving me life right now. This wig just comes with the wig and a wig bag. Super cute and classy. Their slogan is empowering women to shine. Super cute, super classy. Yes, girl. And then I have these two skin tone bands. So I'm pretty sure like when you put on your wig cap, you like put this over in the front so that in the front it looks like real skin underneath, and like when you're doing your parting and everything, like it looks better. So I've never used these before. I don't know if I'll be using them today. That's a cool addition that they added. So let's just get straight into this install, you guys. I'm super excited. And click the link in the description box below if you guys want to get this wig, because honey, it's looking pretty good so far. Let's get into it. So we have the final look here. Let's get a 360 on the style. Period. Y'all see the little on the side, edge. It's giving baddie 101. Soullady did their thing with this hair. I'm really loving like how tight and like natural the curls are looking, and the hair feels soft. The parting and everything like looks really good on the lace. So yes, you guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you guys want to get this wig or any other wigs from this company, I will have all the links down in the description box below. It's UrbanSy, and we out. Peace.